Eventful week on Nasdaq. Last week, a roller coaster ride where a rise, recovery, and a sharp drop towards the end of the week, almost correcting 7% in last 2 days. But that was after the rise and retracement on the first 3 days. So achieving lower highs here at 13600. The week ended in red. The candle closed in red. Yes, this is the fifth consecutive red candle for Nasdaq 100. Now what is going to happen next week? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts first, followed with the help of indicators. At the end, I'll conclude and I'll give you the trading levels along with the entries and take profits as well. So do watch till the end. And yes, let me welcome you all. I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily and weekly analysis for Nasdaq 100. This is going to be a weekly analysis. And yes, those who are new to the channel, let me share. I share my daily analysis for Nasdaq 100 twice a day, once with the Asia cash session and one with the US cash session. That helps you decide your direction for Nasdaq 100 and good entries throughout the day. So do not miss to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Also my other analysis on Dow Jones, FTSE 100, Germany 40, that is DAX, and India index, along with gold and silver and crude oil and natural gas also get released daily and weekly basis. So do remain tuned and updated with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with the weekly charts on Nasdaq 100. And as I shared earlier, that the candle size here, this is the fifth consecutive red candle after this retracement, and the body size is still diminishing in nature, leaving the large wick behind. So one observation, that breaking this zone at 12,500, there is no stoppage for Nasdaq 100 for it to drop till towards 12,000 and below levels. Remember, I shared a few weeks back, I will share again, that my target for Nasdaq 100 for in next few months is towards 11,000 and below levels. We will see it again at those levels, but it will take a little time. It is not going to happen overnight. Yes, we are perfectly on the path, very sure for that. Now look at this on next week. See, because the candle size is diminishing, however, bulls are also very much not in control. The bears are not in control. So yes, if you see it trading beyond 12,900 again next week, you can try to initiate a long entry above 12,900. There you can expect that this time it is going to again give it a reversal till 13,500 levels, which is going to be a fairly strong resistance zone. And this time the rise can be further sharp, which might try to take it towards 14,000 levels as well. So this is going to be the retracement and couple more green candles which will try to take it towards 14,500, and then the drop will be followed. That is what can be expected. Expectation nobody denies, but yes, looking at the smaller body size and a fairly larger body out shadow out there, we can expect that if it trades about 12,900, we can expect a sharper rise. Now on the downside, trading below 12,500, there could be a stronger drop too, cannot be denied, for 12,000, and then for 11,500 levels also there could be a sharper red candle. Why? Because the previous and last 2 days candle were not supportive enough for a reversal. Now look at the daily charts. Coming back to the daily charts, you have seen the weekly analysis, and now look at the daily charts. See the clear cut resistance there at 13,550 levels. At the same time, this time it has come out of this support zone at 13,800, which was a fairly strong support, and this is also the second red candle. And hence, yes, if you see it be above 12,900 and 800 zone, yes, you can go long there. Else probably below 12,500 it may try to see 12,350, and below that we may see it dropping below 12,000 levels. This is also very much possible. Why? Because this is come out of this consolidation zone. This is the first red candle, in fact, once it is trying to trade below 12,950, 12,900 and 13,500 consolidation zone. So I'll be cautious. We have seen first red candle, it may try to sustain. However, another observation is the smaller body size, indicating that Friday either traders were not interested or the bears are not interested to drop it. So I'll be cautious on Monday for this. We have seen now weekly and daily charts. Let's also have a look at the monthly candle. See, the monthly candle has started taking a shape. A stronger wick is being formed, and now it is trying to create a body out there. So in the month of May, if you see it trading now below 12,500, one can expect that it is definitely going to hit 12,000, and then in fact see the previous drop was almost from 14,000 or rather 15,000 to 13,000 levels, so almost 2000 points. And if you count 2000 points and continue the same body size here, one can expect that 11,000 can be a reality in the month of May itself. However, let's not be overjoyous about this. Why I am saying so? First thing, see, it has come out of this support zones and sideways trading in which it was there for quite some time, and after this greener candle, this is the first red candle, and hence a second red candle cannot be denied. That is what makes me understand that probably we may see it dropping. However, once it trades about 12,900, we may see it rising again, which will try to bring towards 14,000 levels now. So yes, I'll be watchful of 12,900, 13,000 levels for the month of May. If it trades above this, we may see it reversing strongly on the upside. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. See, the 20-month moving average for Nasdaq 100 is 14,000. Now it is trading below the 20-month moving average, indicating for last 2 years this is trading now at the bottom of the average of what we have seen for last 2 years, almost close to 2 years. So indicating a possible bearishness there. Yes, 50 and 100 period moving average are also there, but yes, I'll not talk about that on the monthly charts. Look at the monthly stochastic, near to oversold, and hence it can try to drop a bit. MACD has crossed over on 4 months back. This is the fourth red candle. Yes, you can expect a larger red candle because the body size is consistently increasing. Now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, there is a clear cut resistance at 14,500, then 15,000 levels, and there is a resistance at around 13,500 levels as well on the weekly chart. So breaking for 13,500, you can expect a sharper rise. The MACD is oversold on the weekly charts, hence a bounce back cannot be denied, and stochastic is oversold, and MACD is also wide and divergent here. So I will be cautious there. RSI on the weekly charts is near to oversold zone, hence this also is probably indicating that it can see a reversal. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, three zones: 20 period moving average as 13,500, 50 period at 13,800, and 100 period at 14,400 levels. On the downside, see, this is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which is lying at around 12,500. So yes, if you see it trading below 12,500, there could be a sharper drop which can be expected, taking it towards 12,350, 12,100. In fact, it can try to go back towards 11,900 and 11,700 levels, which can also be expected if it drops and sustains below 12,500 and 12,350 zone. Also look at the same time, a reversal will give it a resistance at 13,000 and then 13,400, 500 levels. From there, one can expect a little drop. Look at the stochastic is just crossed over and still on sell, probably looking forward to a drop from here. But these are markets, anything is possible. It can reverse the complete scenario. MACD was trading in red and still in red. It is now in fact divergent. So till here the game is changed, and it was about to cross over on the bullish side. Right now it is trading in the bearish zone, and three consistently increasing size of body and increasingly bearish moves, indicating that probably we may either see it diverging and hence more bearishness, bringing more bearishness in the market. RSI is near to oversold zone. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. So if you see it trading above, first let's talk about the levels to go long. If you see Nasdaq 100 trading above 12,840 levels, there you can go long next week, probably expecting it to head towards 12,970 and then towards 13,050. Beyond that, we may see a sharper rise which will bring it towards 13,180, 13,350 and 13,500 levels. These all can be achieved if it continues to trade, and that should be considered as a reversal if it breaks beyond 13,500 levels. On the downside, where to take a short entry? One can only take a short entry at 12,480. If it breaks this zone, we may see a sharper fall in US 100, taking it towards 12,300, 12,100 and then 11,900 as well. Below this, it may fall strongly towards 11,700, 11,400 levels. Anything is possible. These are markets, upside and downside, both sides it can trade. We have to always keep shifting our stop losses to cost. You can enter again if you see markets going in your direction again. So at least this will help preserving your capital. This will help you making a better decision every time whenever you do so. Also, yes, if you do not have time, you can join my VIP signals group where you can just trade as per the signals and you can definitely profit. Also, if you want to learn, because I always say rather than taking signals, first invest in your learning. In learning is for life. Only two seats left for my next batch starting on 9th of May. Book out your seats now. Reach out to me via Telegram or email ID. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me there, and yes, from there we can take it forward, making you a profitable trader. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.